My name is Molly Niedermeyer. I'm a naturopathic physician and a licensed midwife. I graduated from Bastyr University. It was not called that when I graduated. It was called John Bastyr College of Naturopathic Medicine. I graduated in 1984 in the third graduating class. At that time, I also was participatory in making it into a midwifery school so that we could actually be licensed as midwives when we graduated from naturopathic school. The reason for that is because in the state of Washington, we're not allowed to participate in the delivery of children without being a midwife. So we had to make it into a midwifery school so that I could do full family practice. I've practiced in the Seattle area those entire 31 years. I have a large family practice, naturopathic practice with 5 additional physicians at this time. It gets bigger and smaller depending on where my needs are. The thing that I really pride myself in is that I embody the principles of naturopathic medicine on a daily basis, one of them being docere, which means to teach. So my entire purpose as a physician is to teach people how to take better care of themselves and therefore become better clients. That's another thing that distinguishes me. I have patients and I have clients. Clients are people to me that are coming and seeking advice to improve their own. They hire somebody to give them advice. Patients are people that at some point in their life need to give up their personal responsibility to somebody they trust because they're feeling so bad that they just want somebody to make those decisions. And I will take those roles on depending on what my patient or client needs at the time. I personally have been both a patient and a client. I recently was diagnosed with breast cancer and at points in my healing process was truly a patient of many people saying, just tell me what to do. I don't mind doing that with my clients because sometimes you just don't, you want someone to make those decisions. But bottom line is I'm trying to educate people to make their own educated decisions and to teach them that nothing is random, that things in your life happen for a reason, and the body's going to give you louder and louder messages to pay attention. So even with my own cancer journey, I won't be somebody that will tell you that I was grateful I had cancer. I will tell you that I am grateful for the lessons that cancer gave me, and I wish I'd learned the lessons in an easier fashion, but that's not what my body did. Your body will make the wisest decision it can at any moment. Every second your body's making the wisest decision it can. And so our job as both naturopathic physicians and as you as a human being is to give the body the best choices and the best building blocks and the best options it can in order to have optimal health. So I want people, one of the questions I ask my patients, clients is, what prevents you from being in optimal health? And that's what I'm here to help unravel for somebody is what's not what's wrong with you, but what prevents you from being in optimal health. So if health is defined as freedom from limitations, what's limiting you? And that's both physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being because those things all can limit you.